Hello team, here is a video for you to understand how you can punch a motor insurance policy through our portal. Before we begin it is advised to keep two documents available with you: registration copy or RC book and previous year insurance policy. So let's begin. First you need to visit our website www.trustdidi.com. Then click on Leads module from the top. Then select Insurance from the wide range of products. Here comes the Leads form. It will take 2 minutes for you to fill this form. Click on Start. Put your IPRO code and select from the drop down. Put customer's mobile number. Select motor insurance. Click on Continue. Select the type of vehicle. If it is a brand new vehicle just out of the showroom, then click Yes or click No. If you select Yes, it will be punched by our backend team. If the customer specifically wants to continue same insurer, then select Yes or else select No. Put the registration number. If the customer had purchased a third-party policy in the previous year and wants to get a comprehensive policy this year, then click on Yes. If you select Yes, then an online self-inspection will be required to punch the policy. Click on Submit. So this screen shows that your lead has been punched. Click on Move to RFL Portal tab. Now select the type of policy. Two-wheeler as selected earlier. Put registration number and click on View Quotes. So here are a few details you need to check and fill from your RC copy and previous policy. Manufacturer year and exact registration number will be on RC. Previous policy expiry date will be on previous insurance policy. If the bike is registered in the name of the organization, and click on the box. If the policy is expired in 90 days back, then click on the box. If you don't have previous policy, copy tick on the box and few of the questions will disappear. Check all the details and proceed. If you wish to opt for personal accident cover, then select yes. Click on information is accurate and proceed. So with the details provided by us, here are the codes shared by the companies. You can change the IDV by clicking on the tab above the codes and change it. Click on the company you wish to opt for. Click on No if your previous policy was not from GoDigit. On the left, you will have premium calculations. Fill the personal details. Fill the nominee details. Put the vehicle details as on the RC copy. input address details, and click on Review and Do Payments. Once you click on Review and Do Payment, you will see the detail provided by you. Recheck it and see if you wish to edit and fix. If all the details are correct, then proceed to pay the premium with the payment gateway. You shall receive the policy copy on the email ID and mobile number provided by you. With the same process, you can punch four-wheeler policies by selecting private car from the options provided. Thanks for watching and reach out to us for any help needed on the number provided on our website. Thank you.